So, good morning to one and all. Today we are going to discuss objective questions mains. Okay. In the previous videos, I discussed with you descriptive questions NCERT. In this video, in the number system, the first concept rational numbers, objective questions mains. Now I am discussing with you. So, in that first question, we have the sum of two rational numbers is minus 3 by 5. If one of the number is minus 9 by 20, then find the other number is asking. Okay. So, the sum of the two rational numbers is given and one of the number is given. So, we need to find other rational number. Yes. So, we don't know the other rational number, so that we can assume as x. Okay. So, answer is, let us assume that okay children, so in the objective questions mains, so in the first question we have the sum of two rational numbers is minus 3 by 5. If one of the number is minus 9 by 20, then find the other rational number. Okay, so we need to find, so here other rational number, so we don't know the other rational number, so let us assume that other rational number be x. So let the required number be, we can assume that let the required number be x, required rational number be x, required rational number be x. Okay, so one of the number is given, one of the rational number equal to what they given, minus 9 by 20. So this is the given. Okay, and the sum of the two rational numbers, how much they given? Sum of the two rational numbers equal to, that is minus 3 by 5. This is also the given. So sum of the two rational numbers means this rational number plus this rational number. Yes, so that is minus 9 by 20 plus this we need to do add, plus x equal to minus 3 by 5. This is the, according to the condition, this is the equation. Okay, so now we need to find x value. So I am transposing minus 9 by 20 right side, then x equal to minus 3 by 5 plus 9 by 20, minus 3 by 5 plus 9 by 20. So here different denominators we have. LCM of 5 comma 20 is 20 only. Okay, so to get 20 into 4 into 4, so 3 4s are 12. So that is x equal to minus 3 into 4 minus 12 by 20 plus 9 by 20. Okay, so this we can write minus 12 plus 9 by 20, minus 12 plus 9 by 20. So then x is equal, this is equal to x is equal to minus 12 plus 9 minus 3 by 20. So minus 3 by 20 is the required answer. What is the correct answer we have? In this second option is the, option 2 is the correct one. Option 2 is correct. Okay. Okay, now I am discussing with you second question. The number to be added to minus 5 by 8 as to get 5 by 9 is. Okay, so which number if you add it to minus 5 by 8, so it gives the sum as 5 by 9 is the question. Okay, so suppose I am going to ask, okay, the number to be added, which number if you add it to 6, it will give 10. So that we can say simply 4. Okay, the 4 to be added to 6 and as to get 10, we can say like that also. Similarly, the number to be added to minus 5 by 8 as to get 5 by 9 is. So that number, the required number, we don't know. Some number we need to add for this 5 by 8, minus 5 by 8. So that number we don't know. So let the required rational number be solution. Okay. So let the required rational number be, let the required rational number be x. So we need the required rational number is what? X. So we are going to add for this minus 5 by 8. Then those sum is becomes 5 by 9. So that is minus 5 by 8 according to the condition, according to the given condition. So if you add this x for this minus 5 by 8, we will get 5 by 9. Yes, that we need to write. So minus 5 by 8 plus x equal to 5 by 9. Okay. So minus 5 by 8 plus x. So this we want to find x value. So we need to transpose this minus 5 by 8 right side. Then it becomes 5 by 9 plus 5 by 8. 5 by 9 plus 5 by 8. Here we have different denominators. So different denominators means LCM. LCM of 8 comma 9 equal to what we will get LCM? 72. So to get 72 into 8 into 8. So 8 5 is 40 by 72 plus into 9 into 9. So 45 by 72. So x is equal to 40 plus 45 by 72, which is equal to 85 by 72. Which is the correct option for that? Okay. So option 1 is the correct option for. What is the correct option for that? Option 1 is the correct option for that. Now I am going to discuss with you third question. We have the number to be subtracted from minus 3 by 4 so as to get 5 by 6 is. In the previous question, the number to be added. In this question, the number to be subtracted. Yes. So that number we don't know. Same process what we followed there here also. So second solution I am writing. We don't know that number. Let the required number, let the required rational number be x. Okay. According to the condition I am writing here. According to the condition, so if you subtract x from this minus 3 by 4, so if you subtract x from minus 3 by 4, so we will get 5 by 6. Yes. So that means minus 3 by 4 subtracting x. So from minus x equal to 5 by 6. Minus 3 by 4 minus x equal to 5 by 6. So I am transposing now. I want to find x value. Yes. So here I am transposing this minus x right side and 5 by 6 left side. Okay. So then minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6 becomes minus 5 by 6 and equal to this minus x becomes plus x. So x is equal to, we can write minus 3 by 4 minus 5 by 6. Yes. So different denominators. Different denominator means LCM. LCM of 4 comma 6 is 12. 4 comma 6 is 12. To get 12 into 3 into 3. So which is equal to, so minus 9 by 12 and minus into 2 into 2 minus 10 by 12 already, sorry, minus 5 into 2 into 2, so 10 by 12. So both have same denominator. So x is equal to x equal to, we can write minus 9 minus 10 by 12. Minus 9 minus 10, minus 19 by 12. So is there any cancellation? No. So required answer is minus 19 by 12. Which is the correct option? Option 1 is the correct option. Option 1 is the correct option. Next. Fourth question. Now I am going to discuss with you fourth question. The product of two rational numbers as minus 28 by 81. If one of the number is 14 by 27, then find the other rational number is asking. Okay. So product of the two rational numbers is given, and one of the rational number is also given. We need to find other. So we don't know other rational number. What we need to do? We can assume as x. Okay. So let the required rational number be solution. Let the required rational number be. Let the stop. Okay. So now let the required number be x. We need to assume. So product of the two numbers. One of the number is given. Yes, 14 by 27, and product also given. So according to the condition, I am writing directly. According to the given condition. According to the given condition. Okay, that is, so x into 14 by 27 equal to minus 28 by 81. Minus 28 by 81. So here now, so we need to find x value. So we need to transpose this 14 by 27 right side. It becomes x is equal to minus 28 by 81 divided by 14 by 27. Yes, if you are sending this right side, it becomes division. Yes. So when you are dividing the two rational numbers, we should do the reciprocal for the divisor rational number. Then it is minus 28 by 81. Reciprocal of 14 by 27 is 27 by 14. Okay. So 14 ones are 14 twos are 28. 27 ones are 27 threes are 81. So what is that? X equal to minus 2 into 1 minus 2. 1 into 3 into 1 3. So what is the required rational number? Minus 2 by 3. Is there any option we have? Okay. So yes, we have second option. Which is the correct option? Option 2. Option 2 is the correct. Next. Stop this. Okay. Now we are going to discuss 15th question. By what number should we multiply 3 by minus 14 so that the product may be 5 by 12? Same question. So we need to multiply with some number this rational number. Okay. We need to multiply some rational number with 3 by minus 14. Then that product may be 5 by 12. So we need to find some rational number we need. So that we don't know. Okay. What we need to do? We can assume. Okay. So solution we have, let the required number be, x. So if you multiply x with this given rational number, that is 3 by minus 14. So when you are writing 3 by minus 14 in the standard form, we can write it as 3 by. So according to the condition you can write. Okay. So let the required number be x. According to the condition, according to the given condition, according to the given condition, okay, 3 by minus 14 into x equal to 5 by 12. Okay. So 3 by minus 14 we need to write in a standard form. It becomes minus 3 by 14. When you are writing in the standard form of 3 by minus 14 is not in the standard form. So we get these two are equal only. Okay. So when you are writing this 3 by minus 14 in the standard form, it becomes minus 3 by 14 into x equal to 5 by 12. So if you transposing this right side. So x equal to 5 by 12. So between these two, what is the relation we have? Multiplication. If you're transposing right side, it becomes division. Minus 3 by 14. So when we are dividing reciprocal, so it is 5 by reciprocal of, or reciprocal of minus 3 by 14 is minus 14 by 3. Is there any cancellation? You can check. Okay, 2 6s are 2 7s are. So next, x equal to 5 into minus 7 minus 35, and 6 into 8, 6 3s are 18. Sorry, 6 3s are 18. Okay, do we have answer? Yes, of option. First option is the correct option. What is the correct option? 1. Option 1 is the correct option. Okay. Okay, now we are discussing sixth question, children. In that, if x equal to 2 by 3 and y equal to 3 by 2, then find the value of x plus 5 divided by of x minus 5. Okay, so first in this, we know x value and y value. Just you can substitute and simplify. So we need to find x plus y. So x is what? 2 by 3 plus 3 by 2. So here different denominators. LCM of 3 comma 2, 6. So to get 6 into 2 into 2, that it becomes 4 by 6 plus into 3 into 3, 9 by 6. So it becomes 4 plus 9 by 6, which is equal to 13 by 6. X plus y is how much? 13 by 6. And x minus y. X minus y is nothing but a 2 by 3 minus 3 by 2. So LCM same as 6. So 4 by 6 minus 9 by 6, which is equal to 4 minus 9 by 6, which is equal to minus 5 by 6. Okay. So now we know that x plus y value and x minus y value. So x plus, now we are going to find x plus 5 divided by x minus y. Okay. X plus y value how much? 13 by 6 divided by x minus y how much? Minus 5 by 6. So when we are dividing two rational numbers, we should do reciprocal for the divisor rational. So now 13 by 6, reciprocal of minus 5 by 6 is minus 6 by 5. Okay, check whether any cancellation. Yes, 6 ones are cancelled. 13 into minus 1, minus 13. 1 into 5, 5. So that is x plus y divided by x minus y equal to how much? Minus 13 by 5. Is there any correct answer for this? Okay. Do we get? Yes, option 3. What is the correct option? Option 3. Okay. Stop the video. Okay. So now I am going to discuss with you 7th question. If 24 trousers of equal size can be prepared in 54 meter cloth, what length of the cloth is required for each trouser? Okay, it's a very easy question. We have, so 24 trousers. What is the total length of the cloth? 54 meters. The total length of the cloth equal to 54 meters. The total length of the cloth how much? 54 meters. The number of trousers, how many we have? Number of trousers can be made. Number of trousers equal to 24. So we should make 24 trousers from this 54 meter cloth. Okay. So suppose it is. So what is the measure of each trouser length? What is the length of each trouser equal to the length of each trouser equal to the total length by total length of the cloth equal to length of the cloth by number of trousers. Just number of trousers. Okay. So the total length of the cloth is how much? 54 meters. by number of trousers 24. So is there any cancellation? You can check. Okay, 2 27s are 2 12s are again 3 9s are 3 4s are. So that is 9 by 4 meters. So 9 by 4 meters. Each trouser length how much? 9 by 4 meters. So which is the correct option? Option 3. Option 3. Okay. So now 8th question we are going to discuss. Which of the following is least rational number? Okay. So for this question we should go through the options. First option 79 by 3. Second option 83 by 3. Third option 97 by 3. Fourth option 31 by 3. So if all denominators are same in the given rational numbers, so easy question. Okay. So in the numerator, which is greater, that becomes greatest rational number. Which is smaller, that becomes smallest rational number. So which is the smallest numerator? 31. So 31 by 3 is the smallest rational number. So option, which is the correct option? Option 4 is the correct option. Okay. Next question we are going to discuss. 9th question. Okay. Now I am going to discuss with you 9th question. Okay. 3/4 of 2/3 of a number is 782. What is 3/5 of 1/4 of the same number? What is the value of 3/5 of 1/4 of the same number? They are asking. Okay. First we need to find 3/4 of 2/3 of a number we need to find. So a number we don't know. Okay. So we need to assume that x. Let the number be. Let the required number be. Let the required number be x. Number be x. So then a number we know that. Okay, x. According to the condition. According to the given condition. According to the given condition, we can write that is 3/5 of means what? Multiplication. Yes, 3/5 of 2/3 of into a number. A number what we assumed? X equal to 782. So by putting off, the operation is not completed. Check whether there any cancellation is possible. So 3 cancel, 2 1s, 2 2s. Yes. So left remaining numbers. Okay. Now 1 into 1, 1. So 2 into 1, 2. So 1 by 2 into x equal to 782. So this 1 into, we can 1 into x, x. X is nothing in the denominator. We can write 1. 1 into x, 2 into 1, 2. So x by 2 equal to 782. So x is equal to 782 into 2. So if you are sending these to right side, it becomes multiplication. 2 to the 4, 16, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14, 15. So x equal to 1564. So x value, a number how much we got? 1564. So we need to find 3/5 of 1/4 of the same number. Same number we got x. Yes, x is how much? 1564. Yes, so we need to simplify this as 3 by 5 into 1 by 4 into 1564. Check whether any cancellation is possible. Yes, 64 we have, we can cancel in the 4 table. 4 1s are 4 3s are 12, 3. 4 9s are 36, 4 1s are 4. So that is 3 by 5 into 391. Nothing in the denominator is 1. So 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27, 2. 3 3s are 9, 11. 1173 by 5. So if you want to write in the decimals, you can write. See. 5 2s are 10. 1 7 5 3s are 15, 2, 3. 5 4s are 20. So 3. Keep the decimal point 0. So 6. 5 6 are 30. So what is the correct answer? So 230. 34.6. So that is 3/5 of 1/4 of 1564 is equal to 234.6. Okay. Stop. Okay. Now we are going to discuss 10th question. The difference of two numbers is 8 and 1/8 of their sum is 35. Then find the numbers. Then we need to find the two numbers. Okay. So we don't know the two numbers. Okay. So we need to find. So let us assume that let the required numbers are. Let the two numbers are be. Let two numbers are be x and y. The two numbers you can assume as x and y. Okay. The difference of the numbers equal to difference of the numbers. How much they given? Equal to 8. So difference means we need to write. So x minus y equal to 8. So consider this is as equation 1. Next, 1/8 of their sum. First we need to find sum. Sum is equal to sum of the numbers. Sum of the numbers equal to sum of the numbers is equal to x plus y. What is the sum of the numbers? Is nothing but we are adding the two numbers x plus y. So 1/8 of their sum, 1/8 of x plus y. So 1/8 of sum means 1/8 of x plus y equal to 35. So that is 1/8 into x plus y equal to 35. So this 1/8, so this 8 with this we can write 1 into x plus y by 8. Nothing in the denominator is 1. 8 into 1, 8, which is equal to 35. So 8 you can send right side, it becomes, so x plus y equal to 35 into 8. Okay. So 8 5 is a 44. 8 3 is a 24, 28. So x plus y equal to how much? 28. This is equation 2. So from equation 1 and 2, equation 1 we have x minus y equal to 8, and equation 2 what we have? X plus y equal to 280. So if we add these two equations, so minus y plus y 0, x plus x 2x equal to 8 plus 280 288. So from this we can write x equal to 288 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 144s are. So x equal to how much we obtained? 144. So x is equal to 144. Substitute in equation 2. Substitute in equation 2. X plus y equal to how much? Equation 2 280. X is how much? 144 plus y equal to 280. So y is equal to 280. This 144 if you transpose right side, it becomes minus 144. So 280 minus 144, 136. Y is equal to how much? 136. So therefore the two numbers are 144, 136. The difference is 8 and sum is 280 will come. Okay. So in this video I discussed objective questions means 1 to 10 questions. Okay. Watch the video, and if you have any doubts you can comment me and subscribe the channel and share to your friends. Thank you.